Introducing 22mm IEC Pilot Devices from C3controls. Our pilot devices are industry renowned for their sleek design, simple low profile, and stackable snap-on contact blocks for up to 6 circuits. Our product line includes 35-degree angled screw terminals and self-lifting pressure plates. Also included is a removable latching device, which complements our modular design to offer a wide variety of product styles and colors. However, it's what's on the inside that counts, and that's why we include a one-cam design for any combination switch, a solid brass detent on all push-pull operators, and a Teflon-coated U-cup seal to keep things out. Push-twist release operators also meet EN 418 standards. Our pilot devices can also accommodate a multi-voltage light module, low-energy LED lamps for up to 100,000 hours, and up to 5 million mechanical operations. C3controls offers same-day shipping, cost savings, a lifetime warranty, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Shop today at c3controls.com.